What if you could start making money online today without writing a single line of code? Advances in AI and no-code tech have made this a reality. In this video, I'll show you how to use artificial intelligence and no-code platforms to build businesses and make money online fast, even with zero coding experience. We'll look at real-world examples of people using these tools to generate income, and the exact steps you need to take to get started. So if you're ready to leverage technology to work smarter when making money online, watch this video to the end. First, what exactly is AI? AI refers to artificial intelligence, which allows software and machines to perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. Some of the most popular AI technologies today are chatbots that use natural language processing to communicate, machine learning algorithms that can analyze data to find patterns, and AI content writers that generate unique text and articles. The key ways we can leverage AI right now are through AI writing software that creates content quickly and chatbots that can automate conversations with customers. AI content writers use natural language processing to generate all types of written content, from blog posts and social media captions to entire articles and ebooks. Some popular AI writer tools include Jasper, Copy AI, and Conversion AI. Chatbots leverage NLP to understand customer questions and respond with automated answers in real time via messaging apps, websites, and more. Popular chatbot builders include ManyChat, FlowXO, and Chatfuel. The key benefit of AI is that it enables automation of time-consuming tasks quickly and at scale. This means AI can save you tons of time while also avoiding writer's block. No-code refers to platforms that allow you to build websites, apps, online courses, and other products without needing to write any code. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, meaning these no-code platforms are web-based services that let you build products using their templates and tools. Some popular examples of no-code SaaS platforms include Bubble, build web apps and workflows without code. Webflow, create websites with drag and drop design. Teachable, create and sell online courses. Podia, sell memberships and digital downloads. Card, create simple landing pages. No-code SaaS platforms provide pre-built components, templates, and automation to allow anyone to build professional-grade products. This enables you to skip over learning to code and having to hire developers. Now that we've covered the basics of what AI and no-code SaaS are, let's look at some real-world examples of how people are making money with these technologies. There are endless possibilities for leveraging AI and no-code tools to make money online. Here are just a few examples. Leveraging AI content writers like Jasper or Copy AI, you can create blog posts, articles, ebooks, social media posts, and sell them as products or services. For example, some ideas for monetizing AI-generated content include creating real estate blog posts and selling them to agents, using niche articles related to your expertise and listing them on content marketplaces, and generating ebooks around specific topics that can be sold on your own website or Amazon Kindle. The key benefit is that AI can quickly produce large volumes of content that can then be packaged and sold in many different ways. The benefit is that AI can create far more content, far faster than you could on your own. This content can then be monetized in many ways. Build no-code SaaS products. With no-code platforms like Bubble, you can create full software-as-a-service businesses and products without needing to code them yourself. Some potential no-code SaaS business ideas include building a social media scheduling tool and selling subscriptions to access it, creating an online course platform for selling your own courses, and making a website builder that you could charge hosting fees for people to use. No-code platforms allow you to turn these ideas into real functioning products and businesses very quickly. You can also leverage AI to provide services to other businesses. Some examples: AI can also be used to provide helpful services to other businesses. Some examples are building AI chatbots to handle customer service for e-commerce companies, offering AI content writing to marketing agencies, and leveraging AI to analyze and optimize sales funnels. The main benefit is that AI allows you to deliver these services at scale far beyond what could be done manually. The benefit here is that AI allows you to provide services at scale far beyond what you could handle manually. There are many other examples of how to leverage AI and no-code tools to create profitable online businesses and products. The key is finding problems you can solve, or services you can provide more efficiently with AI and automation. If you're interested in exploring how to make money online with AI and no-code SaaS tools, here are 5 steps to help you get started. First, choose a specific niche or industry to focus on. This will help guide what types of products or services you create. For example, real estate, health and fitness, business consulting, and more. Choose an area you're passionate about or already have familiarity with. Next, start learning the basics of how to use AI and no-code tools like the ones mentioned earlier. There are plenty of tutorials and online courses available to learn. Focus on getting hands-on experience using the tools to create sample content, sites, apps, and other projects. Before diving headfirst into building a product or business, validate that there is demand. Talk to potential customers or run surveys to ensure you're solving a real problem. This will help avoid wasting time building something no one actually wants. Lean validation helps reduce risk. Once you have a valid idea, begin creating your AI-powered products and services. Start small by offering services to a few clients or building a simple product. Don't worry about perfection from the start. You'll learn and improve as you build experience. Once you have something ready, launch it and begin marketing. Make use of content marketing, social media, and paid ads to find your first customers. Be prepared to learn and iterate quickly based on customer feedback to improve over time. AI and no-code SaaS tools empower anyone to build online businesses and products without coding. You can leverage AI for content creation, chatbots, data analysis, and more. No-code platforms let you create apps, sites, courses, and full SaaS businesses. Find a niche, learn the skills, validate your ideas, start creating and be ready to learn and adapt. By tapping into AI and no-code technology, you can build profitable online businesses even with no coding experience. So there you have it, everything you need to know to start leveraging AI and no-code tools to make money online without coding. The future is now. The time is now. So stop dreaming and start building. Tap into technology and automate your way to success. If you'd like to learn more about how to use AI plus no-code SaaS to make money online, check out this video here, and I'll see you on the other side. The only limit is your imagination. Unlock your potential with AI and no-code. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget to subscribe to Penguin Profits for more videos to help you work smarter, not harder on your online business and make more money.